Hello everyone and welcome to
Bring a Vegan.
On today's first episode, we're going to be making
pineapple fried rice.
Yes, indeed. And we will be using things that I just happen to have on hand. I don't always make it this way. We don't always make it this way, but we're going to use what we had today. And I encourage you at home, don't go to the store. If you don't need to, just use what you have.
Yes.
So we're going to go over the ingredients right now. Okay, so we will be using 1 1/4 cup corn, 2 cups pineapple, 1 cup peas, 4 celery stalks, and 4 carrots, 2 tablespoons bergaminos or soy sauce if that's what you prefer, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon chicken style seasoning, and salt to taste. Oh, and I almost forgot the most important ingredient, which is the brown rice. We will be using about 3 cups of brown rice, pre-made. And so now we're gonna go to the stove and mix all this together. Let's do it.
Yep, let's do it.
All right. Okay, so now we're just gonna mix everything together. The oil I'm using is the Grapeola. It's grapeseed oil, and it's considered like the best for cooking, frying. It's healthier for you. So first things first, we're gonna add all the veggies up in here. We're gonna be at about medium heat, medium high. We're gonna saute this for a second, probably a good 5 minutes or so. Okay, so now we're gonna add the pineapple. Mix that up just a little. I used frozen pineapple. I just so happen to have frozen pineapple. All right, so the juices are blending well together. Just let it all kind of marinate. And I'm gonna go ahead and add in the corn and the peas.
That looks so pretty. I love all the colors.
Look at all these colors, guys. My goodness, yes.
I really love colorful food.
Me too. I feel joy. When I see colorful food, I feel joy. Okay, so now I'm going to add in the chicken style seasoning. This chicken style seasoning is called Better Than Bouillon No Chicken Base. And you can find it mainly at a health food store like, well, I buy mine at the Adventist Book Center. You can also get it on Amazon. They're about the same price. We're going to add in our bergaminos or soy sauce, our turmeric. And we're going to go ahead and freestyle it a little bit. I felt like all of a sudden putting onion powder. You could use real onions. I usually do, actually, but today I'm using onion powder and sprinkling some garlic powder. Put it at a low heat. Now you're going to do low heat. And then we are going to take this off the heat and mix in our rice. Should be good to go. Let's do it. Okay, now you can taste it, okay? So like just, you know, do it to however you prefer. Like if you want more of the aminos or soy sauce, go ahead. Add it in. If you prefer like just more turmeric or less turmeric or no turmeric, go ahead. You know, this is just my way of doing pineapple fried rice. And, you know, just get creative in the kitchen. It's really hard for me to be creative, and I'm really excited because I know that the Lord has helped me so much with this. It was really hard for me back in the day when I was learning how to cook healthy. And now that the Lord has helped me through this path, through this journey, I encourage you to, you know, grab a hold of Him. If you are somebody that doesn't really normally cook or know how to cook, or especially cook healthy, I should say, you know, then just ask God to give you guidance and help you with this. Like, He's literally brought me a long way. One day I will tell you guys all about it. But here we have our beautiful pineapple fried rice, and I'm going to add some salt to taste. Gonna do the taste test, and it should be ready to go. And here you have it, our masterpiece, pineapple fried rice.
I really hope you enjoy it, and make sure to press like and subscribe.
Yes, and may God bless you, all of you who are watching this video on your healthy eating journey. And we'll see you on the next round of
Bring a vegan!